Welcome to my YouTube channel. Cut the mango into the small pieces. Put into the blender. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of fresh milk. Blend until smooth. Transfer the mango milk mixture to a cooking pan. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. 1/2 cup of milk. Mix well. Turn on the flame. Pour the corn flour mixture into the pan. When it begins to boil, reduce the flame to low. Let it cool completely. Then keep it in refrigerator for 2 hours or until set. Pudding is set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.